mi gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. Today I am beyond excited because finally fall is here. I've been so ready for this season. Let me know if you've been ready, but I've been so ready. Like about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I couldn't wait for fall to come any sooner. So I'm so glad that it's here. Now I'm pretty sure some of you are as excited as I am since you've been asking for fall makeup tutorials. And today I bring you one. This is it right here. This is the lipstick that I was wearing in the past video, but today I paired it with a makeup look. In the previous years, I have been focusing more on the eyes instead of the lips, but this year I do want to focus more on the lips. I do enjoy those really nice, bold, like plum lips. So if you guys are interested in how to complete this eye look, just keep watching. So first things first, we're starting off with priming the eye with some concealer today. I'm using the Tape Shape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand, and I'm setting it with some translucent powder. And now for the shadows, I'm using the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette. I love this palette and how it smells. And I'm starting off with the shade Just Peachy, and I'm blending it out in windshield wipe motions with my tapered blending brush. This is the Sigma E40. By the way, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the get well wishes that you guys send me. I am so grateful for you, and I'm glad I was able to recuperate quickly because the last 2 times it lingered for weeks and it wasn't pretty. But anyhow, after that shade is Built Like So. I'm taking the shade Peach Sangria and I'm blending it on my outer V. Now I'm using a blending brush. This is my Sigma E25, but I also use the Sigma E40 like a taper blending brush to soften the edges and blend the edges out. Next, I'm taking the shade Peach Tarte. It's like a really nice warm brown, and I'm applying that on my outer V with my Sigma E25 like a blending brush. I don't apply much, just a tad. It's just to deepen out that outer V and give it more dimension. After all that blending, I'm going to cut the crease, and I use the same concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using a Sigma E46. It's like an inner corner brush, but it's a really thin and it has like a really nice point to it. So that's what I use to cut the crease. It's going to be a half cut crease, so I stop like halfway. And then I take the shade Peach Butter, and with my finger I just set that concealer up. It gives it like a really nice like white tint to it. And of course I make sure that the edges are blended so it looks seamless from the cut crease to the outer V. I also use this shade Peach Sangria just to blend things out a little bit more. And I'm using that with my Sigma E25. Now, I also wanted to give it like a really nice touch, so I'm using this NYX liquid glitter liner, and I'm going to outline the cut crease right at the top. And before I finish up with the eyes, I'm going to finish off my face makeup. I'm going to be fast pacing this with a little bit of background music, so I hope you guys enjoy. And by the way, I only use this Fenty Beauty for the purpose of this video, but please do not use it if you are oily skin. I did not enjoy it. Okay, so now to finish up the eyes, I'm taking this shade Peach Sangria on my pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30, and I'm applying that right on the outer side of my lower lash line. And then I continue that with the Just Peachy shade and apply it on the first half of my inner corner. Now I'm taking this really nice Revlon Photo Ready Kajal eye pencil, and I'm going to be lining my waterline. Next, I'm applying the Urban Decay Pervision Mascara. This is my holy grail mascara, and I just like it because it makes my lashes look really full with volume, length, and it makes me want to skip false lashes altogether. Don't judge me too hard because I almost forgot to highlight this look. So I'm going to be using the same Becca highlighter that I used for my face, and I'm applying it on my inner corner and on my brow bone. To complete this look, I'm using the star of the show today. I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red. I love this color, you guys, especially for fall. I feel like you can rock this for fall. And I do feel like it is everything for this look today. I didn't use a lip liner because, to be honest, I don't have one that matches exactly the shade. I do suggest that you use a lip liner with this color because it's so rich and deep. There's so much pigment on it that it may bleed during the day, but it will last you. I hope you love this makeup tutorial. Now let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite makeup product for fall, and if there are other bold lips or lipsticks that you recommend to us. Now if you want to see more from this channel, I'm going to leave you 2 videos right here so you can check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That way you get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!